To automatically trace anything in Illustrator, you want to first of all select your image, go to Object, go down to Image Trace, and then Make and Expand. This will automatically trace the shape and it will fill it in with a black color. So from here, all you need to do is select the second tool and you want to delete the background. You want to select it, press delete, and make sure the background is completely gone. From here, you can do anything that you want with this shape now. So for example, if you want to apply it onto a new project, you can drag and drop it into here, upscale this, and as you can see, it'll maintain the original quality. You can also fill this with any color that you want, whether it's a white color, green, or whatever color you want to fill it in. You can also individually change each and every one by selecting it with the second tool and also change the color individually like this as well. Now, the great thing about this is that this also works with text as well. So for example, if you have a picture of some text, you can once again select it, go to Object, Image Trace, Make and Expand. You would drag and drop this into the new project, upscale this, and with this one, you would select the second tool, make sure you are selecting the background, and also hold Shift, select the inside background as well. And then you want to press delete, and then press delete once again, and there we go. You now have your text and also your shape as well.